close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hello guys, welcome to our video.
And now we want to introduce ourselves.
My name is Anissa Widyananda.
And my name is Intes Fandiari.
I hope you enjoy this video.
Let's get started. Okay, we want to discuss about a or an and the.
First about a or an. 1. You must always use a or an if a word is singular countable. Example: I read book. This is wrong. The correct is I read a book. 2. When we are talking about them in a general way, don't use a or an. Example: I hope to go to a college. This is wrong. The correct is I hope to go to college. 3. We don't use a or an before the name of meals. Example: we had lunch at noon. Lunch explains the meals. 4. Never use a or an with a word that is plural or uncountable. Example: I asked her for an advice. This is wrong. The correct is I asked her for advice.
Second, about a. We use a in front of words that start with a consonant sound. Example: a carrot. Third, an. We use an in front of words with a vowel sound. Example: an apple. 4. About the. 1. We use the before the names of shops or places. Example: I need to go to the supermarket. Supermarket explain to shop. 2. We also use the when it is obvious which thing we are talking about or when there is only one of something. Example: could you shut the door, please? 5. About the difference between a or an and the. We use a or an when we don't need to say which thing we are talking about. We use the to talk about a specific thing. Example: I catch a train to London. It doesn't matter which was late. The train was late. That particular train was late. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to
Like,
comment
and subscribe.
Bye bye.